Okay, so here's my garden. I have 6 tomato plants that my neighbor gave me. They're different types, so that's really wonderful. And down here I have coriander, some type of mint, and what do you call those little round red things that radishes, that's right. And here I have sugar peas, and here are some other kind of really thin peas. So that's that I've started. And I just potted a lot of plants because I like plants. This is amazing. So the sun's out today, and we have lots of little tiny bees. These are my favorite bees. I call them fairy bees. They're like just beautiful. So I finally dug up my special garden, and I planted all my potatoes. There's like rows and rows and rows here. So I got that done. And here are my starlings. All the little homes are filled with little babies. There she is. She's coming to feed. Yeah, she's worried, so I'm gonna have to walk. She's afraid to go indoors. But you can see that she had a lot of food in her mouth. So yeah, it's starting to get just nice. I put some onions there. I just kind of throw things in where I want them to be. And so this is my garden. And here I have a little oregano, and I have lemon something balm, I guess it's called. And I'm trying to figure out the name. They have like flowers on them that are, what are they called? Lavender. Lavender. And then I just have my little nice, just for funsy flowers. And then I have my lemon trees that I actually planted 10 years ago. This one I planted last year. It's a grapefruit tree. So I'm going to put that in a bigger pot. And this is the lemon tree that I bought. I'm hoping it's going to do a little bit better because it got attacked by some kind of lice, but you can see that the flower bees, they love them. There's something it secretes that they just love. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you that I've started up my food garden a little bit. It is I think it's the 24th, May 24th, and we have one sunny day. And tomorrow we're supposed to get rain again. I don't have a problem with rain. It's no problem. But the issue is that it gets down to, I'd say 30, 35. And it's not, you know, now it's maybe in the 50s, 60s. It's very cold for this time of the year, which is unfortunate. And this is where my doves drink. And then I have little pots over here on the ground for, you know, if I have a hedgehog come by or something. And then I put a stick in it because otherwise you get these little flying things that drown. I found a bee in here actually. It was quite upsetting. So I'll just lay a little stick across it so that they can crawl up onto it. And then another one here. So the birds can take their baths. It's a big bowl. Yeah, that's it, guys. I have lots of other things that are growing here. I'm not sure about the name. There you go. I have these. The little round green things. I have lots of those growing in my garden. So they're berries. Look at my apple tree. It's so happy. Oh, these smell beautiful. So I have different berries. I have blackberries over there, the kind with the real thorns on them, and they're just spreading on their own. And this here is called wild kale. This is something you can just live off of. Like, the restaurants actually pay good money for this. So my place is a literal wild food garden. This here is amazing. I have bushes of this. And it tastes just like licorice. I don't know what the name of it is in English, but it's like licorice. It's absolutely amazing. So, and this is a male and a female tree that produces little yellow berries. They usually grow by the sea. And then I have blackberries and red berries that you can just eat or not. This was a modern form of blackberries, but it's not doing well because it's a hybrid. And I'm hoping maybe this year it'll get better. So I'm just letting everything grow here. This is a wild onion. This here is wonderful. You can just eat it like instead of onion. It's beautiful, and I have lots of it. So I put some more dirt here. I think, I'm not sure about those in the back, but they might also be some type of that. And here's this bush that I was talking about that tastes like licorice. And it's huge. It's huge. So yeah, this is a very exciting garden. I love it so much. New things just keep popping up. In the back there I have 2 cherry trees that I just brought in from the wild. I don't know how they're gonna do. And this is my beautiful pear tree, no. My plum tree that I got last year. And I'm so happy, I can't wait. I am so excited to get plums. So that's it, guys. I have a walnut tree here. It's a small one. It was here when I bought the house over 8 years ago. So now this one here is an edible chestnut. Yeah. So that's great. So I have interesting plants here. Okay, that was it. I have tons of bamboo. I'm not sure about eating them, but there's like lots of stuff I can eat. I want to ask everybody something though. This is important. Because I don't know if this is a type of purslane or not. So if somebody would help me try to figure this out. Let's see here. Because this grows everywhere in my garden. It's got a root system that just clutches together. It is everywhere. And I'll pull one up for you. It's this thing here. I know that purslane sometimes has a reddish something going on. But here you go. This is also what it looks like. It makes like almost like a little rosebud on it. So, and there you go. Okay, here you go. This one has a red root. See that? So if anybody can help me figure out what this is, if it is purslane, because I actually tried it. I just took a bite, because that's what I do. And I mean, if that's the case, I've got like a whole garden full of it. It's literally everywhere. So if you can help me figure that out, guys, please do. Is this some type of purslane? I really want to know, because I'm just going to start eating everything in my garden here pretty soon. So every now and then, I'll just take a leaf, you know, just go chew on it. Okay, guys. That was it for now.